What's up, y'all? Quick video while I'm under the car installing this rear main cover and seal. So there's a good video on this on YouTube in regards to how to do this, but I thought I would share it as well. So I got this alignment tool from Sac City Corvette, and I actually got another part from them as well. There's a barbell that goes in the oil gallery right here, oil galley. And the one that comes with it is plastic, but they make a billet one that's supposed to be more efficient, that you stick in the hole right here. And so I got one from them, and it actually has worked pretty good as well. But they make this alignment tool, and I got it, and it got here in like 2 days, so that was good. So what they have you do is obviously take the cover off, clean it, take the old rear main seal out, and clean it all up. Once you have it all in, then make sure you put your beads of RTV here and here, because remember, these are the areas that are prone to leak. So put your bead of RTV there after you clean it. I use the Right Stuff gasket maker. That seems to work pretty good. Then you have this tool here. So what you do is start them with the screws here and just get them to snug. And then you want to put your bottom screws in here as well, because what that's going to do is pull the cover down and kind of smush this gasket here, because if you don't, then it's going to be lifted up and it's going to be off center when you put the rear main seal in. So you got to get these to snug, and then that puts it down and that helps this align. So right now the rear main seal isn't in because this gets the center cap to flush, and then once you put it in, there's an O-ring around it that helps snap it in and it stays. So then once you got it in and you tap it in with a rubber mallet, then now your rear cover is centered around the back of the crank. And then from here, you can torque these down to your 18 foot-pounds, and that way it won't move. And these go to 104 inch-pounds down here, and then that way you're all centered out. So then you pop this back out, and then you get your rear main seal, and you place it on here with the rear main seal. Comes with a little plastic guide that sits around here, so that way the seal stays. And then you put the seal on, and then you put this on top of the seal, and then you tap it in, which drives the seal in, and then you get that nice flush fit. And then you pull this out, and you'd be good to go. So I just wanted to at least show y'all kind of how that works. This was only like $39 shipped from Sac City Corvette on eBay. But I think it's saccitycorvette.com. You can go to their website. But it's just cheap assurance that everything is lined up. And I didn't use this the first time, and I think it was just a little off, and that's why it ended up leaking. So my mistake, and you live and you learn, and you go from there. So other than that, I will get this installed, but I wanted to show you kind of how this worked, and we'll go from here. All right, y'all, talk to you later.